Good afternoon from Juneau, Alaska. I have a busy and exciting day planned, so let's go ahead and head off the ship. All right, first order of business is to do some shopping. So let's head on in to the Harbor Tea and Spice.
Okay, so I'm back from Alaska now, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from Harbor Tea and Spice. So I got the Alaskan Twilight Chai, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm really excited to. And then I also got the Ice Cave Blue Tea. And I've tried this already, and it's really good. It tastes like blueberries, and it is very, very blue. It's the color. It's supposed to look like the glacier water. So I'll give you a quick look. Okay, so this is the color of the tea after it's steeped. If you can see there, it is very, very blue. And it's a very pretty color, and it tastes awesome. So if you're at Harbor Tea and Spice, make sure to get this one.
The next stop on my list is TreeTop Cheese.
So I also just wanted to show you the t-shirts that I got from TreeTop Tees. They had a lot of designs in there, but these are the two that I went with. The material is very, very soft, and they're both machine washable, and they're really good quality tees.
All right, so I just took the Mendenhall Glacier shuttle with Juneau Tours. I have about 3 hours to explore before the last shuttle leaves. Let's head over to Nugget Falls. The hike to Nugget Falls is about 1 mile, 2 miles round trip, and it takes about 45 minutes. But that's if you're just walking straight there and straight back. If you want to stop and take photos or take in the scenery, I would recommend at least an hour, if not an hour and a half. I definitely spent that amount of time just walking there and back and staring at the falls and the glacier and the beautiful scenery. Just a quick tip, if you do have time, make sure you stop off at the secluded beach area right before you get to the main falls area. It's less crowded, and there's great photo opportunities out here. Alright, now it's time to head back and check out Photo Point Trail. So Photo Point Trail is about 0.6 miles long. It takes about 15 minutes round trip. But again, that's only if you're walking straight there and straight back. So if you want to snap some photos of the glacier and of yourself, I'd recommend at least half an hour for this hike. Alright, it's time to get back on the shuttle, which will take us back to downtown Juneau, and from there we'll be getting on the Mount Roberts Tramway, so we'll see you there.
Members also spent summers at numerous fishing camps on the Taku River. The settlement founded by Juneau and Harris was originally called Harrisburg and later Rockwell. Miners often used both names in their records.
My time in Juneau is now coming to a close, but that's okay because I am headed back on the ship and I am headed over to Jamie's Italian for dinner tonight.